I stopped
the double 2x4.
Yeah, I stopped the camera. He's putting in a second 2x4.
If I
You need to be over
put
here
it
to
more in
see
the
it.
middle here, it'll give me more height too.
Okay. Oh, and a geometry lesson to boot. This is leverage.
Where are your safety glasses? Is it voice on there too?
Oh yeah.
You need to have a Baltica in the shot somewhere.
That was our mistake, was not bringing any with us. It's all back at the campground.
Think how entertaining this would be then.
Yes.
Yeah. All overheated.
How high can she go?
Now you're clear. This is the fun part for me, is always getting it up on the...
Much better.
No,
Make sure the plastic ring's not on.
it's not too bad.
Whoa.
Can we get spacers that were in there or something?
Yeah.
Right. What are those? Those were in the back.
Yep.
Okay, keep going.
Put her down a little bit.
Yeah.
A picture of the.
You can put it on center stand.
That's what I'm
now.
doing.
Because I stopped holding it up. It's balancing.
It is balancing.
I'm letting go of the front brake, so it's
All right.
going to roll just a little bit too. Okay. There you go.
Quick fix. Much better than a car.